Dear students, today we are going here to discuss about the allowances. Today we will discuss the allowances related to fatigue and relaxation given to the worker at the workplace. Another allowances is financial allowances that we will not discuss here. Allowances here is the topic of work measurement in industrial engineering or operation management, in which method study investigation tries to minimize the energy expended by the worker in performing the operation. There are various type of allowances, and all those allowances goes to the basic time or normal time to the standard time. It will be added to the standard time. Like here we can see observed time for an operation, then performance rating factor by which the worker performance are rated. Another is process allowances, rest allowances, special allowances, policy allowances. So all that comes under for normal time and standard time. It is very difficult to decide the time for the allowances, but it depends organization to organization whether what kind of situation are available there. Factors related to individual worker, हो सकता है कि एक वर्कर को ज्यादा अलाउंसेस मिल रहा हो, दूसरे को कम मिल रहा हो. Factors related to the nature of work itself, it depends what kind of working environment is there. If there is too much light, too much noise, then obviously you will need to give more allowances. Factors related to the working environment, again there are various types of allowances: relaxation allowances, personal need allowances, fatigue allowances. There are two types of fatigue allowances: basic fatigue and variable fatigue. Again, contingency allowances, special allowances, interference allowances, and process allowances. And another one more is policy allowances. We will discuss one by one. First one is the relaxation allowances. According to British standard institutions, relaxation allowances is an addition to the basic time intended to provide the worker an opportunity to recover from psychological effects of carrying out a specified task under the specified condition and to allow attention to personal need. It may be personal need allowances and fatigue allowances. Personal need like taking glass of water, washing hands, going to the laboratory, getting drink, etc. Fatigue allowances to compensate the recovery of energy. Basically, women require longer personal need allowances than men. It is commonly considered as 5% for men and 7% for women. In case of variable fatigue allowances, various factors comes under like abnormal position, accident hazards of the job, weight lifting, ventilation, temperature, noise, strain, monotony. Now, fatigue allowances are intended to provide a workman an opportunity to recover from psychological effect of fatigue caused by carrying out a specified task under a specified conditions. These are the abnormal conditions. In this, allowances are given more for the mental comfort, eye comfort, etc. Now, contingency allowances. Contingency allowances may occur frequently or regularly. These allowances are provided for a small unavoidable delay as well as for occasional and minor extra work such as tool breakage, tool sharpening, obtain a necessary gauge special tools from central stores, filling the coolant, consultation by maintenance department, power failure or power cutoff, waiting in process inventory from previous machines, like this, filling of the coolant, breakage of the tool, waiting of the work in process inventory from others. Interference allowances is provided when two or more work elements occur simultaneously. For example, when one operator looks after two or more automatic machines, the interference allowances may occur when the cycle time of work element differs. The unproductive time of the machine, the waiting time before it is attended by the operator, is machine interference. The major factors influencing interference allowances are number of machines per operator. There are so many machine handling a single operator, machine running time, ratio of machine time to outside work, inside work, etc. That means at a single time you are operating two or more machines, like we are giving gossip and making tea, like this one. Now come to the special allowances. When the cycle time of work element differs, then special allowances are provided for activities which are not normally a part of operation cycle, but when essential for satisfactory performance of the work are found. Such allowances may be permanent or temporary. It includes startup allowances, shutdown allowances, a clearance or cleaning allowances, tool allowances for adjustment and maintenance, changeover allowances, and implementation allowances. Now come to the policy allowances. A policy allowances is an increment other than the bonus increment or financial activity applied to extended time or some constituent part, for example work content, to provide a satisfactory level of earning for a specified level of performance under exceptional circumstances. The usual reason for making policy allowances is to line up standard time with the requirements of wage agreement between employees and trade unions. That means a worker is doing more work than usual, then organization give some policy allowances, that means extra benefit. Now work content of a job or operation is the summation of basic time, relaxation allowances plus any other allowances. Basic time is basically defined as observed time into observed rating upon standard rating. Performance rating is described as observed performance upon normal performance into 100, because it is calculated under percentage terms. Allowances given to the worker is the labor law because it is necessary part for the health. Now all the allowances which are to be added for computation of standard time are provided in terms of percentage of standard time. It is applicable to manual operations. Standard time is the total time in which a job should be completed. That means basic time in which job is to be done, and allowances given to the employee for either rest or recovery of the mental fatigue.
अब जाते जाते हम यह उम्मीद कर सकते हैं कि आज आपने जो वीडियो देखा काफी कुछ समझ में आया होगा, और यदि आपको कुछ कम समझ में आया है तो इसको आप एक बार और देखिए। साथ में ही मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि इस वीडियो में जो टॉपिक था उससे रिलेटेड या सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड और वीडियो देखने के लिए हमेशा प्लेलिस्ट में जाइए, जहां पर 200 प्लस वीडियोज उपलब्ध हैं। और इस वीडियो के द्वारा जो नॉलेज मिला, जो आपकी स्किल डेवलप हुई और हमने जो अपने अनुभव शेयर किए, हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि यह आपके जीवन में नित्य नई उन्नति के द्वार खोलेंगे। और जाते जाते मैं यही कहना चाहता हूं कि आप सभी स्वस्थ रहिए, मस्त रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए। साथ में ही यह मुस्कुराहट अपने दोस्तों के साथ भी, अपने क्लासमेट के साथ, अपने शुभचिंतकों के साथ भी शेयर करते रहिए। धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद।